Ever see those big plastic barrel containers filled with the delicious Agua Frescas? Let's make a low-calorie alcoholic version of watermelon juice called a skinny sandia. Blend chopped watermelon until silky smooth. Strain contents into separate bowl. Now for the good stuff. In a shaker, pour 2 ounces of the juiced watermelon. Pour 1.5 ounces of jalapeno tequila. Pour 1 ounce of light simple syrup and 0.5 ounces of lime juice. Shake and strain into a tahini or salt-rimmed glass over ice. Total 119 calories. Cheers.